Hi, Stanley here from Geek77 with another tech review. Oh yes, my poor old back. It's definitely catching up with me. Now, I've been doing a lot of wedding videos, I've been doing a lot of TV ads, also promotional videos as well, by using this heavy thing and also this heavy thing. Combine it together and I'm literally like Johnny Bravo. His arms are out here, massive, all that jazz. So I thought to myself, I need a solution for this. So I've been scouring the internet to try and figure out which is the best for me and my budget. Now, I've been looking on Digital Photos. They seem to have 3 products, and the one that we are going to be looking at today, the one that I have, is the £580, which is about $700, which is the Thanos-SE. Now, the big question that we are going to be asking in this video is, who's it for and should you buy it? Let's check it out. Okay, we are now outside and we're going to have a look to see what you do get when you do purchase the Digitalfoto Thanos-SE. It does come with this lovely rucksack, which is absolutely incredible. Straight away, I'm loving this already. What is inside the bag, you are asking? Well, first off, you do have your vest, obviously, and also we do have the arm itself, which is just here. Now, I will point out, with the arm, it's just typical, like the dogs have started barking. I don't know if you've noticed here as well, we do have a quick release plate just on top of there. The reason why I put one there is because I've actually got one on here as well. So it's easy to kind of take off the legs and also to attach it to the arm itself. So that's one of the reasons why I do actually have a quick release plate there as well. Also, what it comes with as well, you can actually stick the whole thing in here as well, which is really cool. But you do come with an adapter, so you can actually stick this like quick release plate on here as well. We're going to be balanced here with the RS2 Ronin. Here it is. We've also got the Antal Bauer battery, also with the camera, the matte box as well. If you want me to do a video on how you can actually balance something like this on here, you know, let us know in the comments below. Let's get this bad boy on and let's see how it feels. Okay, we're going to quickly show you how simple this actually is to fit on. So straight away, just goes right over. You do have your straps just here, which go behind you as well. Obviously, this is to my size. Attach, and there you go. Straight away, it's secure. You can feel the weight. Obviously, this thing weighs about 3 kilograms. You can actually carry on this 8 kilograms, which is absolutely ridiculous. That's so heavy. You do actually have this here as well, what you attach, and it's just a case of just sliding it on. It's really simple. That's it. I usually go about midway, so it's just about here. You can adjust these for the tension of how much spring there is, and just give you a heads up, there's a lot of spring with these as well. So first things first, what I'm going to try and do is we're going to take off the legs. So quick release plate, off it goes, quick release plate straight on there, just like that. That's how easy it is, just like that. So we're going to obviously switch this on, give it a few seconds, and there we go. Now, you can tell when it's balanced because you're supposed to leave it and it balances it. Can you see it's like it's slightly off handle? Well, you've got these knobs just here so you can actually turn it, whether you want it to slightly go that way or that way. Very simple to use. I can't feel the weight on this at all. Now, when would you actually use this? I would say not at a wedding. I think you'd be quite intimidated if you rocked up with the bride saying, hey, I'm here to do your shots. It would definitely freak me out just a little bit. I use this on music videos, I've used it in adverts, I've used it in promotion videos, corporation videos as well. This is where I would be using this. Moves absolutely stunning. It obviously stops the whole bounciness with it all, also with the RS2 as well. It literally just beautiful smoothness as well. And if you've got a camera with stabilization and a lens with that on top, it's going to be easy, mate. You're going to have literally no issues at all. I mean, I am barely doing anything, mate, and the weight on it I could not feel at all. What I really love about this as well, I just love the easiness of it. The fact of when you have this quick release plate on here, it's just so simple. Just to kind of grab it, take it off, stick it onto your legs, just like so, and then that's it. And then you pop it on your table. And then when you're finished with it, you can take it off just like so, chuck it where you need to chuck it in, and then all you've got to do is then just attach it back to the arm again, and then you're away. The question is, what is the footage like? I'm going to be using one with the vest. and one without, and I want you to tell me which one it is. Okay, and there you go. I hope this video has helped you to decide whether you should get it or not. It saves on your back, it saves on your arms. It's absolutely insane. I love this thing for the price of it as well. It's absolutely incredible. So pleased with Digitalfoto with an F, Thanos-SE. I would love it if Digitalfoto could send in, you know, either their Pro or their Pro 2 or any other of their products for me to review. I am happy to do so, because so far you're off on a good streak. Just a quick measurements as well, guys. For the chest itself, the maximum is 123 centimeters on your chest. For your waist, it's 130 centimeters. So you do actually have a lot of room there to move about with. So if you are slightly big, this may fit for you. I'm a very small guy. I'm only 5'5". So, and this fits me like a dream, it really does. There'll also be a link there for you to click on to check it out, see which one you want with obviously the Thanos Pro, the Thanos Pro 2, and obviously the Thanos SE, which we have just reviewed. If I am going to say anything, this thing is incredible. I would definitely recommend anyone considering it to just go and buy one, because it will save a ton on your back and your arms. If you are doing long shoots, this is the way forward. Guys, don't forget to follow us on our social medias on Instagram and Twitter. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you do subscribe and hit this bell icon. Every time we upload a video, you will be notified. So I'm Dan, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.